गाइस कैसे हो आप लोग। सो हम प्रीपिक से कोई भी इमेज डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं या कहीं से भी आप गूगल से भी ले सकते हैं। अपने यूट्यूब थंबनेल का नाम याद रखें। Now you can remember your name on YouTube and just download the image from Google or you prepick wherever you want. And you can just mask them. And if you know the basic Photoshop, how to work Photoshop work, or you can just see my videos on YouTube, or you can comment there and you can write the name to YouTube and on which image is reviews. Make sure the image is related to that. Also select and you can see this video is related to the masking, how to remove that in Photoshop. So I will use the Photoshop logo and the text part and one image with masking, or you can see shadow. I will show. Let's use some creative ideas which you have. अपने आइडियाज यूज कर सकते हैं और टेक्स्ट उससे रिलेटेड डालें जो इससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक है। तो आपको पता ही होगा, कोई भी इमेज आप ले सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट डालें एंड देन यू कैन यूज द शैडो। Now you can see that you can use it according to yourself. कलर से मैच करता हूँ मैं, कुछ कलर मिक्स करें and I think it's okay now. I don't think this color black is okay. आप अपने से रिलेटेड भी डाल सकते हैं कि आपके चैनल का कलर क्या है। बाकी thumbnail is not mattering like that, just for heading and make sure show your videos overview. So I will just use that there. Now make sure the size should be 1080 is height and 1920 is width. So 1920 by 1080. Choose YouTube thumbnail size, or you can use the 1280 by 720. That's what you want. And just open the new document in Photoshop. It's a updated version. So I'll just make it quick. And just go to Photoshop, add file, save for web. Export, save for web, and save it as PNG. That's it guys, thank you.